Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I asked in my stories like 3 weeks ago on what occasion should inspire my makeup look, and I got a few suggestions. So last week, if you guys missed out, I did a makeup look inspired by a recent breakup. I'll have that video linked up here so you guys can go ahead and check out that video. In today's video, this is my red carpet inspired makeup look. I also got inspiration by Shay Mitchell. I seen this beautiful picture of her, and that is what inspired today's makeup look. Now, it doesn't look exactly like hers, but it's inspired by her. If you guys have any suggestions, if you guys are going to a wedding, a quinceañera, a birthday party, like a certain theme or something, let me know down below in the comments, and I will create a makeup look for you guys to give you an idea of what to do for that special occasion. So without further ado, if you guys would like to see how I came about this red carpet inspired makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. But before we do jump into this little tutorial, make sure you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and let's begin.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm going to start off with prepping my skin before applying some makeup. I'm going to be trying this Pore Filler. This is a targeted stick for your pores from NYX. I just discovered this. I really want to use it because I do have like visible pores right in here, and I want to see if it works. Okay, so let me see here. This is really unique. It's like a little chapstick kind of. I am seeing that it's definitely filling them in. Do you guys see that on camera or no? Okay, now you guys can see, compare these two sides. Okay, I'm gonna apply some right here. Oh shoot, I should have applied moisturizer first. Whatever. Okay, so I'm going in with this, and I'm also gonna take this onto my smile lines because those things are deep.
Yeah, this is deep.
They go deep.
Oh, but I go deeper.
So the next step, I'm going to go into this Huda Beauty primer. This is their water jelly primer. I'm going to apply it to the areas where I did not apply that pore filler. So right in here and onto my forehead. Just a little gentle touch right here. Again, this one is the Huda Beauty water jelly, and it leaves my skin feeling really hydrated. I'm also going to be applying the Porefessional Super Setter. This is from Benefit, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face just to prep it. I feel like I'm doing the most right now, but I've been really loving this product here from Urban Decay. This is part of their Prince collection, and this is going to illuminate my face to give it a nice glow. I'm also going to use the Urban Decay Prince brush, and I'm going to begin just to tap this in. Girl, my skin is going through it right now. Like, look at this shit. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some on the forehead as well. Now we're gonna move along to my special occasion foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I use the color Shell Beige. It is number 4N1. I really need to order some pumps. When I reviewed this on my channel, one of you guys mentioned that they sell these pumps on Amazon, and I still haven't gotten around to purchasing it because I only wear it for special occasions, and I just have not gone anywhere in 2020. So we're just going to use it right now. It doesn't have a pump, you just dump it out. I'm placing it on the back of my hand, and with the same exact brush, I put way too much on the back of my hand. Shoot. I'm just going to be pushing the product into my skin like this. I love the coverage of this foundation. I've just had it a little bit too long now that I hope it's not expired. I'm pretty sure it is, but just by looking at Shay's picture, I'm using it as a reference for this makeup look. I can kind of see that she's wearing, I'm assuming, okay, I don't know, but it looks like she is wearing powder on her eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Foolproof brow powder from Benefit, and I guess I'm just going to use both of these colors. You use the lighter shade on the beginning portion of your eyebrows, and then the darker one at the outer part. So I'm just kind of following the natural shape of my eyebrows. I'm not drawing anything on. I'm just filling it in, and this is the darker color from this little palette. Do you guys use powder, pomade, or a pencil for your eyebrows? I feel like a lot of celebrity makeup artists or just makeup artists in general use powder. I don't know, I hardly wear powder, so this is unusual for me. So I just did the other eyebrow off of camera, and now I'm going to go into this Rare Beauty liquid shadow, and this one is in the color Nearly Rose. I feel like this is going to be the perfect color for what I'm seeing on her pictures. So yeah, I'm just going to go in here with this color. I'm going to be taking this brush here and just blending this out. So just kind of packing it in. This is super easy to blend, and once I get to the edges, I'm going to start kind of like going in around, blending in a round way. So again, let me just distribute it right here, and then in the edges, blend in a circular motion. I want to keep everything very creamy and glowy, so I'm going to be using this new Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick, and this one is called Bed of Roses. This is brand new. I have not used it, but I kind of think this is going to be perfect. So I'm going to go in there and just apply it all over the eye. Just like this. And with my finger, I'm just going to blend everything out. Super off topic, but yesterday I went to watch Cruella. Best movie ever. You guys should definitely go watch it if you have not done so already. And it's kind of like sad because there was like maybe 5 employees in the front and there was like nobody at the movie theater. It was so sad. It was also kind of nice because my kids get a little bit crazy sometimes, so it was nice to have the theater to ourselves. Okay, I'm also going to use this other Caviar Eye Stick, and this one is called Forbidden Rose. I'm going to apply it at the outer corner right here. And again, just blend it out with my finger. Doing the same thing over to this other eye. Shay Mitchell is one of the prettiest girls ever. She was my favorite in Pretty Little Liars. Not because she was like lesbian. I liked her and Aria. I thought Aria was... no, they were all really pretty, but my favorite was Shay Mitchell. Sadly, I didn't even get to finish watching Pretty Little Liars. Like, I kind of got over it because it just kept going in a circle and I never found out who A is. Do we know who A is? Should I keep watching it? Is it worth it? That is looking really, really pretty. I'm also going to be applying this to the waterline, like so. And with a big smudging brush, I'm going to go right under there. This color is a little bit too intense, the Rare Beauty that I used. I should have used this other one. This one is called Nearly Rose, and I think I used Nearly Neutral. Or was it the other one? I don't know, girl. But this is inspired by Shay Mitchell. It's not going to be the same thing, obviously, because I can't look like her, okay? You know what? I think I'm going to apply this other Caviar Eye Stick. This one is called Rose Thorn. I want to darken it up out here a little bit more. Maybe in here a little bit too. With the brush, I'm going to blend it into the lash line right there. Perfect. We're getting somewhere. Next, I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place concealer. We got to highlight underneath here and clean everything up. These eye caviar sticks are so perfect for when you're on the go. I wish I had these when I had my 9-to-5 job because, girl, I was always doing my makeup in the car, like outside my work, because I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna be late, I'm gonna be late. And I was still late, even though I was sitting outside my work just getting ready, you know? Okay, perfect. I am gonna take that blending brush one more time and just kind of make sure everything is looking good out here. I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to set the under eye area. We can avoid the creasing since we are using quite a bit of creamy products. So just right under there. I'm going to get the areas where I normally get super oily. And now to bronze. She has really good cheekbones. I, on the other hand, don't even have cheekbones anymore. Dude, I've been changing the way I eat and I still look the same. I'm going to use a brand new bronzer, if I could open it. It was just sent to me from NYX. It looks like this. I think it's a bronzer. Actually, it's a mattifying powder, but we're going to use it as a bronzer today. Hopefully it looks good. So just going in here. I feel like this looks a little too orange for me. Does it look okay? I'm going to warm up the nose a little bit. And the forehead. Oh, shit. I think I might have overdone it. Chingada madre. I'm going to go in with the beauty sponge and just clean up down here. I forgot to add my cream blush, so I wonder if I put it over the powder if it's going to mess everything up. This is a pretty blush from Rare Beauty. This one is called Nearly Apricot. Apricot? Okay, so I'm just dipping in there with a stippling brush. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going to go in like so. Can you guys see it on camera? Oh, shiznit. It's taking off my makeup. Okay, don't try this at home. Yeah, definitely have to apply this before using the setting powder underneath the eye. I just totally forgot, and here we are. Okay, now the star of the show. Just kidding. This is my favorite blush slash highlighter. It's very peachy, and if you guys can see in her picture, I'll put it right here again. She has a beautiful peachy highlighter, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Let me just curl my eyelashes, not like they're gonna stay curled, but we're gonna try here. By the way, I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This is my absolutely favorite mascara out of any other mascara I've ever tried, so that says something. You should try it. One thing that I do really want to try though is a waterproof mascara, so if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them down below, because I've heard that if you try waterproof mascara after you curl them, they will stay curled, supposedly, allegedly. So I'm definitely wanting to try that. So let me know your guys' favorite waterproof mascara down below in the comments. I could not think of a better eyelash style to wear than this one here. This one is in the style Bliss. You guys can shop this on my website. They're very subtle, but I'm gonna try curling them right now because I feel like, you know, they just look very natural, and I just really want them to look really curled. So I'm gonna put them inside of my eyelash curler like so. Just squeeze a little bit. I'm gonna put on my eyelashes using my eyelash tool. This just makes it easier to apply. I'm gonna pop it on to the center, looking down into a mirror and adjusting the corner and the inner corner right there, like that. And my eyelashes are on that easy. You guys can see that these eyelashes look very natural. Well, I curled them, so they might look a little bit more semi-dramatic than usual. If you don't curl them, they're not gonna look too crazy. They just give you a really nice natural fullness. These are my absolute favorite lashes for every day. So I do like to pinch my fake eyelashes with my real ones, so just so that my real lashes don't stick straight and then the fake ones have a bunch of volume. That is the reason I do that, but here they are. Okay, now on my lips, I'm going to be using the Morphe lip pencil. This one is in the color Sweet Tea. I really don't think I have a lip color that is close to what she has on, but we're going to go with this Revlon liquid lipstick, and this one is called Color Stay Satin Ink in the color Wild Ride. Wild Ride. I can't even speak English, girl. I think this is pretty close to what she has on. Alrighty guys, that completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely have a lot more fun when I get inspiration from like celebrities like this one. I've done a Selena Gomez inspired makeup tutorial as well. You guys can check out that video up here. If you guys have any ideas on what I should do for my next look, this one was obviously inspired by a red carpet. I'm going to be doing like an occasional makeup series here on my channel, and if you guys have any other occasions that you guys would like me to create a look for, let me know down below in the comments. I appreciate your time. Thank you for clicking on today's video. I will leave you guys with my latest uploads towards the end of the video, and I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye! Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.